Hi everyone. I'm just here to... Wala pa pala. Shit, ba't ako natitins? You're just telling your followers you started a live. Ba't ako natitins, ha? Okay naman ako kanina eh. Teka. Hello everyone! Mahal kita. Thank you. Hi madam. Hello guys. Hello everyone. Welcome to my, breaking my silence moment. Breaking my silence! Ayun. Hi ma. Hi mother. Hello. Hello. Yes. Ayun. Gusto ko lang Alam mo, kanina okay naman ako eh. Kagabi, magsaya ako natulog, ganyan, gising naman ako. Tapos pagising ko, ang daming problema, ha? Parang, ang gulo, ha? Ang daming nangyayari, ha? And I was like, alam nyo, tinatamad ako mag-tweet at magsulat na, una sa lahat, wala akong Reddit. Pero like, things are like going out of proportion. And I was like, alam nyo, magla-live na lang ako. I miss you. I miss you too, Evasions Loyal. Yes! Man. Oh. Manood na kayo ng live. Magtawag na kayo. Lalo na yung mga may issue sa akin. Or mga may issue sa mga shows ko. I-tag nyo na. Magpaliwanag tayo dito. Dito tayo mag-usap. Bakla kayo. Ang hirap nyo paligayahin. Ano kayo? Dali. Siguro din yung screen record nyo to, ha? Para malinaw. What is up, madam? Hi, hello. Nangungulilan ako. Agad-agad naman. Ang mga anak ko naman. Ayan. Nakikiyana pa sila. Ayoko. Alam ba si Kiana? Masabado pa ka na ni Kiana. Kasi, kung saan, ang magagawa ng Kiana? Balik ka na Cebu. Yes, actually, after this, may meeting ako. So, I might see you Cebu this year. Oh, yeah. I love you too. Hindi ito chicharon, this is granola. Kasi, ang sakit na ng bato ko. Thank you for being so supportive. At salamat. Hi, Eva. Naka-end na si Kay. Because of the Rose of Kiana. Actually, I'm here to address that issue. Okay? Kaya, I just wanted to go live para So, actually, chill lang naman ako. Pero, I also want to hear from you guys. Ano bang problema dun sa Rose of Kiana? So, as you all know, Playhouse is a production house where we mount the shows, we create the shows, and then we have partners, which is Drag in the South. So tell me, mga anak, ano bang problema natin? Saan ba tayo nagkakagulo? Ano bang hinaing ng mundo? Ano itong mga nababasa ko na may problema kayo sa Playhouse. Anong problema natin, mga anak? Pag-usapan natin yan. Hindi yung nire-reddit nyo ako na wala akong kalaban-laban. Anong problema natin? Pag-usapan natin yan! Ano meron? Okay. They forgot me. Hindi ako nag-message para sa reservations. The reservation kasi unfair ticket holder. Okay. Ang dami. About reservation. Okay. You got reservations. Okay. Mamaya na yung plywood. Walang problema. Mahal kita eh. Okay. Okay. About the reservation. Okay. So, para sa mga sa mga hindi naman na-attend ng Rose of Kiana. So, here's the tea. So, apparently, so we booked SM South Mall as our next venue for the Rose. We sold the tickets na free seating. Tama? Free seating lahat, diba? Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. free seating siya. The ticket cost was like around, ang pinakamahal na ata is 2,000, which is pinakamurang, I think that yun ang pinakamababang roast ticket ko ever for that lineup. Tama. Okay? So, last night ata, nag-reach out si Drag in the South to all the ticket holders na merong reserved seating option for an additional 150 pesos. And then, all hell broke loose. Tama ba? So far, is everyone still on the same page with me? Type 1. Tama ba yung story? Type 1. Type 1 eh, no? Comment down below kung tama yung story na narinig ko. Tama ba? Ginagalit yun na naman siya kasi. Hindi naman. Ayoko ngang gagalit eh. Siyempre, at the end of the day, customers yan. Customers kayo. We want to bring experience. And, yung mga gantong bagay, hindi ito napapaliwanag ng isang tweet. Hindi ito napapaliwanag ng isang Reddit. Wala akong Reddit eh. So, yun. Okay. Right. So, we're all on the same page, di ba? And then, I understand the sentiments ng iba na bakit hindi pa siya in-offer from the beginning? Na parang, meron palang reserve seat option. Tapos yung iba hindi na-replyan agad. Na parang, syempre, by the time na sinabi nila yung seat number na gusto nila, hindi na available. Kasi nga, nag-reply after 20-30 minutes. Tama? Tama? Tama ba yung kwento natin? Tama ba yung hinanakit? Yeah. Right. Okay. Yes, dapat sa una pa lang. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Yan. Tama naman, 2 hours. O yung iba, 2 hours bago na-replyan. Tama. Okay. Right. Okay. So, yun yung ano nila. Yun yung sentiments. So ako, I'm here. I am not to defend anything, but I also need to provide context on what prodded this thing. Okay? So first, si venue kasi, meron talaga siyang sariling ticketing system, di ba? Yung, syempre di ko pwede sabihin yung pangalan niya kasi nga, we signed a contract with them. Pero alam niyo na yun, meron silang sariling ticketing system. Okay? So kapag ginamit natin yung ticketing system nila, masyadong mahal. Yung tickets nila, kung hindi ako magkakamali, parang tataas ng almost 400, 500 per head yung ticket kapag gumamit tayo ng ticketing system. So when we first sold the tickets, we were like, alam nyo, i-free seating na lang natin lahat. Mas madali. And then, in order for us to lower the cost, manual na lang. Ever since naman, manual talaga si Drag in the South. Kasi nga, gusto namin mababa yung cost eh. Ganun talaga. Pero imagine, ang hindi namin na-foresee pala is, we're talking to like 500, 700, 1,000 people all at the same time. Okay? So, kapag nagpa-free seating kami nga, and then, we were made aware, sabi sa amin ng ibang, okay na eh. Actually, na-sold out na, di ba? Okay na tayo eh. Okay na siya. Sold out na yung tickets, ganyan. And then, may mga nagsabi na, pwede ba kami mag-camp out sa SM as early as the mall hours? I mean, I love the fans. I love kung paano kayo magmahal. Pero nakakapanik thinking that a few hundred people will camp out as early as 10 a.m. in the morning para makapasok sa sa event namin, which will start at 6 p.m. Kasi nga free seating lahat. So put yourselves in my shoes as a producer. 6 p.m. pa yung show. Yung iba, hindi ka naman kayo pipigilan. I mean, honestly, kung ako lang, kung mahadera lang talaga ako, parang, go, mag-camp out lang kayo. Pero 10 a.m. pa lang, pipila na sila sa labas. Pipila na kayo sa labas para makakuha ng magandang seat. So parang, girl, yung iba sa kanila nag-leave pa ng trabaho. Nag-leave pa sila sa trabaho kasi sabi nila, pipila daw sila as early as 10 a.m., 8 a.m. to make sure na nandun na sila. Bakala, 10 a.m. pa sila pipila. So, because of the panic, and because we don't have any systems in place, what we did is like, okay, let's offer a reserved seating option para at least hindi na nila kailangan pumila. Alam na nila kung saan sila uupo. Dumating man sila dun ng mga 4 p.m., okay lang. Pero huwag naman yung kasing OA ng 10 a.m. na dun sila. Pero at least alam nila na meron silang upuan. Right? So, hence, that's what transpired. So, what we did is that, depende sa batch kung sino yung unang bumili at nagbayad. We did it batch by batch. So, syempre, ito munang first people na to, first 20 people na unang nagbayad, sila yung unang na-offeran ng reserve seating option. Ganun. So, ano naman siya, to be fair naman, they did the offer, they did the messaging in batches of kung sino naman talaga yung unang bumili. Kasi, in reality, kung kahit na in-offer mo naman yan, kahit saan ticketing ka naman, kung sino naman unang nagbayad, siya naman talaga yung unang dapat umuputon. So, we did that. The problem is, 500 kayong lahat. So, hindi talaga lahat na-replyan agad. But, just to let you know, chinek ko kanina, kamusta ba yung ano natin. So, huwag kayong mag-alala, Mother Eva is here. I'll take care of you. So, chinek ko kanina. And it turns out that 80% of our Tier 1 holders are favorable of the idea na merong reserved seat. And also, the free lang din ng Google Forms. Yun nga eh. Hindi na kami nakapag-Google Forms at that time. If there's one thing that I lack, it was that. Diba? I'm sure na una akong nagbayad pero nalimutan nila ako yung message. Sila na nagsabi, I'm really sorry. You know, we are trying to do everything manually kasi. Right? This is our first show na ganyang kalaki. 1,000. Kaloka. Award. Pero, we are trying our best to give back. And I mean, the reason that I am here is like, it's not to defend anything. It's just like, I want to be transparent na ito yung nangyari. Parang, kasi ang problema, in the past, so sobrang taas ng demand nyo sa show, meron pa kaming night 1, night 2, night 3. So sabi ko, sige, subukan natin ng isang malaki. So, we did this. We did it manually, which is inefficient. Yun natin siya yan. But we try to do what we try to do. And I feel pa rin na parang there has to be some benefit of some sort that we acted upon thinking what is the best option for our customers. See? Magka-camping sila ng 10 a.m. Bakla! If by batch sana, mas madali. Wala silang nalimutan i-message. Yes. So right now, Tier 1, as of Tier 1, lahat na message na. As of, I talked to the team earlier, 80% of our Tier 1 holders are already happy with their seats. Contrary sa kung ano man yung pinapaano ng may mga nag-refund, there were 5 people that refunded. 5 people of the 1,000 seats that we have sold have refunded. Now, the thing here is that we sold the tickets as free seating. Those tickets were bought as free seating. This was just a last minute offer that we did. Na parang, okay, kung gusto niyo na reserve seat, ito pala. We'll try to make it work. We are not ready for it. Pero kaysa mag-antay kayo sa labas, this is what we can do. So, ganun lang siya. We are trying to attend to the needs of the customers at that time. So, parang, I will not make an excuse out of it. It was a decision that we did. Pwede pa bumili ng ticket ng mga nag-refund. Actually, feeling ko i-message yung si Drag in the South. Kasi ako, di ba guys, I take care of the show. And in as much as, syempre, hindi ko naman na masyado, we work with producers. Minsan yung mga ganyang bagay, syempre sa kanila na yan. Pero parang, I still feel the need to speak up and parang, yeah. We did that. Imagine, kayo yung mag-reply sa 500 people at the same time? Sa totoo lang, pwede na akong matulog ng mahimbing sa gabi. Kaya nyo na yan. Bayad na yung tickets, free seating, magkagulo kayo dyan, mag-camp kayo, 3 days, 2 nights dyan sa labas. Pwede na yan. But no. We thought it's a better option to message you all one by one, let you know na there's a reserved seat option rather than mag-camp out kayong lahat doon. Also, we have provided you shuttle services. Initially, the show was only for people of the South. Nagpa-shuttle service pa kami. 400 pesos to way. Oh, wala nga kaming kita dun eh. And then we also did this. Napababa natin yung cost ng tickets to 2,000. 2,000 pesos for that lineup. Si Kiana, season 3, ako, Minty. Ang ganda ng lineup. Napababa na natin yung cost. So for us, for Playhouse to be accused na nanggagatas ng customers, nanggagatas ng guests, is just so offensive to me. I just really had to say this because that is a disgusting accusation when everything we did was to act on behalf of what's good for my guests, for my drag fans. So kung hindi kayo sanay, kung hindi pa kayo nakanood ng Drag in the South, you probably don't know the experience of how I work. My house? Have you seen other shows? Produce ako, tinawag ng gagatas. My God. Iharap nyo sa akin yung taong yun who wrote that, and I'll explain. Diba? Pero for you to call names and to reduce everything with that, parang girl. Normal, like girl. Child, sit down. Diba? Parang, ang ayos-ayos nung show, te. And then I offered, yes, hindi nakapag-reply. Pero magkano ulit yung binayad mo for the reserved seat? 150 pesos. Sa halagang 150 pesos, dudustahin mo yung intentions ko for my community. Baliw ka ba? Baliw ka. Diba? Ayun lang. I just need to speak out. So here's what I did. Sabihin nyo naman, puro lang chika. Dahil gusto kong alagaan, here's what I will do. So for those who purchase tier 2 and tier 3, I will open a reserved seat option for you. Magpre-prepare lang kami para this time makaka-reply na kami ng agad. Okay? So I am contracting people to be ready with our systems in place. We will do this by batches. We will do this more organized. Mas organized lang siya. Siguro I'll start by Thursday next week. We will offer tier 2, tier 3. Maglalagay ako ng infomercial dun sa Playhouse tsaka sa Drag in the South para lahat tayo informed. I really believe that it's just a matter of communication. And I would really appreciate if a little more understanding naman. Kasi hindi naman maliit na hindi naman, I mean, if you guys can be in my shoes, like, ano ba naman yung Playhouse? I mean, hindi naman ako sinlaki ng Jollibee Corporation, te. Hindi naman ako SM, We aspire for bigger things, for drag, of course. And we try to be as professional as we can. Pero dahil lang hindi ka na-replyan for 1-3 hours, te, tatawagin mo ako ng gagatas. Kaloka. Communication siya, yes. And I understand that. And I feel that. I feel you. Pero yun nga, the mere fact na magka-camp out yung ibang mga drag fans as early as 10 a.m. para lang makuha nila yung seats na gusto nila is not, I can't. Pwede naman, babayaan ko kayo. Pero I can't. Hence, I offered a reserved option with a manual system to do it. The manual system took time. All you need to do, all I'm asking is a little understanding with that. And also, hindi naman mandatory yung reserved option. Kung ayaw mo ng reserved option, ayaw mo ng available na seats, edi huwag ka mag-reserved option. So those words, those Reddit write-ups that are trying to reduce everything that I've done into that one SMS message that you received. Right. Meron pang isa. Diyos ko, nag-message pa siya. Sabi niya, this is bullshit. It's like, oh. Totoo ba to? There was this kid, parang, this is bullshit. Parang, oy, te. OA yung words talaga, te. OA talaga. Nakakaloka. Parang, ayun lang. Gusto ko lang i-explain yung side of, to be transparent, ano talaga nangyari. Bakit siya ganito. And ayun na. Right? So, go. If you guys still want to go. And again, to my roast goers, Ang masasabi ko lang is sobrang pasabog ng show. So, Rose of Kiana nga, no? Balita ko, nanghingi siya sa akin ng mga more than almost 10 backup dancers ata. And the numbers, oh my God! Saka meron akong sister na gigising. So, gigising siya. At ang pagkagising niya, ang unang show niya is yung Roast of Kiana. So, you know, it's like, the queens put so much effort into making sure that you will get the best experience ever every time you do Drag in the South or any Playhouse shows. Kamali lang, nag-text lang ako ng reserved seat option, ang dami ko nang narinig. Kaloka. Yung talaga. Hala, hindi ako umabot sa ticketing me. Right? So, nagre-rehearse na ako. Nagsusulat na kasi ko ng mga jokes ko. Tapos, ayun nga. So, yes. Kilala niyo yung gigising. O, di ba? Ako na-excite na akong i-roast si Kiana eh. Yes. So, happy-happy lang. I mean, not really like happy-happy lang. It's okay to air out your grievances. Pero, huwag tayong to the point na talagang tinatawag niyo pang ginagatasan ko kayo. Nakakaloka kayo, te. Nakakaloka naman yung mga ganong accusations. Kung may problema kayo, let's talk about it. I would say that I am a very, very, very reasonable person and businessman to work with. So, yeah. May available pa. Meron daw 5 nag-refund. Okay lang. Meron pa kaming 1,000 plus na natira that are willing to, like, you know, really is there for the experience. And they understand it. What does gagatasan mean? Milking. Pay-per-view. Yup. Lessons for all. Ako lang yan. Hindi naman ako, I think na ugalang ako nung tinawag ako ng dirap. Sabi, parang gatas na gatas naman. Ako, wow. Bakala kayo. Pwede nga itulog ko na lang to eh. Mag-rumble kayo sa labas, 10:00 ng umaga. Okay lang talaga. So, ang mangyayari niyan guys, binantayan ko kung paano kayo pipila. So, nagpalagay ako ng 2 gates na magkahiwalay. Bawat gates may 2 lanes. So, I will be releasing, it's just to let you know na pinaghandaan kong mabuti to. I was there, nag-ocular na kami. We will make sure that there are systems in place. There will be from the gates open. Maglalabas na kami ng mga info. So magbasa kayo ha. Mamaya, re-replyan nyo na naman ako ng mga this is bullshit. Tapos, hindi nyo pala nabasa yung infomercial. So, I'm getting my graphic artist. We're just getting all the details. Kasi at the end of the day, gusto natin happy yung experience. Diba? Paano kapag late 1 hour ang dating? Okay lang yan. Mas maganda nga yan eh. Kasi by that time, pagdating mo, wala ng pila. Okay? Iyak team bahay, wow. I think maglalabas kami eventually ng roast. Iniipon lang namin silang lahat. Okay? Ako, replyan kita ng I love you. Message mo lang ako. Talaga ba? Kamusta tulog na Min? Mukhang masarap naman. Gigising siya sa March 8 para sa inyong lahat. Pay-per-view, yes. Huwag nyo kaming unahan sa venue. Baka oo nga, Diyos ko, nauna pa kayo sa team namin. Nag-i-ingress pa lang kami. When kay Cebu. So mamaya at 11:30, I have a meeting with my Cebu loves. And yes, we are planning. Sige na nga, magiging I am planning to bring Evacious to Cebu. So yun, ayan na. Oh my gosh, meron ako pa surprise drop na ganun. So, I am making it happen. I want to bring Evacious to Cebu. Yeah, when at Manila. Naghahanap ako, baka mag-south din ako ulit. Next issue po. OMG. When Davao. Ayun, hindi ko pa sila nami-meet. Pero yes, we want to bring it all to you. Diba? What if pumuntang Cebu Evasions? Right. Ayan! Diba? So, ayun, yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-ano rin yun. And also, parang may mga nabasa rin pala ako recently na parang may mga crowd management. Yes, so the bouncers and security are provided for by SM South Mall. Yan, provide naman sila ng bouncer. I think kailangan lang is the reason that we also wanted to do a reserved seating option, mas madaling hanapin yung pangalan. Ganon. When Mother ang Mug episode, ni-edit na. Ayan. Ayun nga. So, I'm gonna do this for my Evacious loves. Na. And, I understand, parang recently kasi, parang may mga, may message sa akin about, some people have things to say, no, about mga drag ship na ganyan. And ako, bilang number 1 president ng sarili kong ship, which is Evacious, parang, I would just like to let my Evacious fans know na parang wag kayo magpa-apekto sa mga ganon. Me and Precious, we are very happy to do all of this for you all. We love na napapakilig namin kayo. And there will be some other queens who probably don't like it or probably nagki-cringe about it. Hayaan nyo sila. Basta kami ni Precious, we are very happy to do this for you all. Alam nyo dati, hindi kasi ko dati, ito I'll admit sa aking mga Evacious fans na I used to cringe na parang, hala, bakit nila ako siniship kay Precious? Sister ko siya. So dati hindi ko siya nagigets. No? And then recently, na-realize ko, actually hindi siya recently something that I've always believed is that the essence of drag, for me is in my capacity to bring happiness to people's lives. That is why I do drag. For me lang. I mean, iba-iba naman tayo Kumbaga, whether it's because of your talent, of your lip sync, comedy, magaling ka, ganyan. As long as you bring happiness, to me, yun ang sukatan ng magaling na drag queen. That's why I love Maxi, Precious, Marina, Vinyas. Sobrang taas na tingin ko talaga sa mga talagang ang galing nilang magpasaya ng tao. And then I realized, itong mga AUs na to, it's also a form of that. It's also a form of giving happiness. Syempre, you're a public figure. You make your face, your name, for public consumption. And if there are like writers or AU lovers or shippers who use my name and my face dun sa mga AUs nila, wala namang mawawala sa akin. And it gives them happiness. So, it makes me happy. If it makes the fans happy, it gives me happiness. Why would I take that away from them? Diba? So, parang, for me, I love. So, parang, I know you probably hear some other sentiments that, I don't know, kasi baka yun yung ano nila. Pero for me and my Evacious, sa mga anak ko, I am the mother of this ship. I will defend my shebebis. I will defend my Evacious to death. Because, you guys make me happy. Also, by the way, may share ko lang sa inyo. No? So, itong recently, ng Evacious, I've met the author of isa sa mga AUs. And marami sa mga fans namin are underage. Mga bata lang talaga. And then I realized na the reason kung bakit may AU, kung bakit may mga batang baliw na baliw sa AU is because that is their only means to connect to us. Kasi itong mga batang fans ng AU, ito yung mga hindi nakakapasok ng bars, ito yung mga walang pambili ng tickets, hindi kami nakikita elsewhere, kailangan pang mag-school, may mga sila yung walang access sa amin. And AU is the only thing that they have. Yung AU na yan lang yung connection na meron sila sa amin. So, bakit ko ipagdadamot yun? Just because may mga ibang taong nag-cringe over it. It's like parang, paki ko sa inyo. Kasi nung na-meet ko yung mga fans, na-meet ko yung sila Iya, iyak sila ng iyak. And I was like, yung ganong quality ng pagmamahal, yung that level of adoration and admiration. And all you have to do is just let people do what makes them happy. Parang, nako. Ay nako. That's like, mas lalo kong minahal yung mga fans na nagsiship sa amin. Kasi una sa lahat, hindi naman kami siniship na parang totoong, anong gusto niyo ba, magkaratang kami sa hindi naman yun yung expectations niyo eh. You guys fall in love with the fantasy. And that's what drag is. We try to sell a fantasy. Yun naman yung trabaho natin eh. So and hindi ko kayang ipagdamot yun sa mga tao that if it gives them happiness, ba't mo ipagkakait, diba? So, give ko yan sa inyo. Lalo ko pa kayong papakiligin. Diyos ko, mas lalo humanda kayo. Ang masasabi ko lang sa mga shippers namin, ihanda niyo yung mga kipay niyo, lalo talaga kayong lalo kayong manggigigil. Bibigay namin sa inyo ni Precious. I was with Precious last night, ng birthday ni Chelsea. Pinaplano na namin. Sis, ano pang mga gagawin nating gawa tayo ng bagong pyesa, gawa pa tayo ng mga bagong gato. Even Precious is in it 180%. Kasi alam namin, it gives you guys so much joy. And it gives us so much joy. Imagine, I have performed in bigger venues, in other places in the world. Yung Evacious show, probably isa siya sa mga nasa top 1% na mga favorite kong shows that I've ever made, I've ever done. And it's such a shame na may mga tao who don't get to experience it. And I feel na parang people who don't get to experience that kind of love, that's probably the reason why you think this thing is cringe, because you don't have it. And like, you just don't know what you're missing. So, let people do what makes them happy, diba? Ship responsibly, yeah, andun na tayo, diba? Pero even yung responsibility na yan, sino ba dapat ang responsible sa shipping na yan? Yung mga involved lang. Diba? Love you, Miss Eva, seated sa part 2. Yes. So, yun. So, I think I just wanted to go live and express that. Not to antagonize other people's opinions, but for me to reassure those who ship me and Precious that we are perfectly okay with it. We love it. And we are very excited to bring in more experience with you all. More joy, more with you all. So, yeah. Yun lang naman siya. Yun lang yung mga thoughts and feelings ko for the night. Yung yung roast. Tsaka yung mga shippers ko. So, yes. Wag March agad. Yes, I think parang gusto naming hindi naman, kasi yung mga Evacious show, hindi naman niya kailangan maging Philippine Arena level na aldab. Parang, mas gusto nga namin na mas intimate yung experience. Siguro matagal-tagal pa yung part 2, siguro, yes. Pabebe wave. Ayun. Sobrang Latina. Crying. Just friends. Yun lang. Kasi parang baka mamaya, iniisip ko lang, baka ma-offend yung mga Evacious sa mga nababasa natin. Akala nila na yung sentiment ng ibang queens sa sentiment ng lahat. That's not true. I mean, to me, at any given time, talagang in the capacity, I measure queens by their capacity to give happiness to other people. And as long as nakakapagpasaya ka, yun. Wala yan sa damit, wala yan sa kung ano-ano pa. If you use your drag to put yourself above else so you can feel better about yourself, then maybe you should really ask, why do you do what you do, diba? Yun lang naman. No shade. Just saying. Pero, pwede bang minor sa Rose of Kiana? Oo naman. Pwede. Basta may ticket. Basta may ticket, go. Nagpagawa ako ng gifts para sa inyo. Totoo! Diyos ko! Yung mga ganon, yung mga ganong levels, yung mga, hindi mo, yung ganong klase ng pagmamahal, hindi mo basta-basta nahanap yon. Kaya, I am the mother of this ship. Yes. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Bubusugin namin kayo. Pag nakita kami ulit ni Precious, gagawa kami ng paraan. Pero yun nga, we want to bring it to Cebu. We want to bring it to Davao, CDO, Jensen. Wala masyado sa North. Pampanga. Meron ba kaming Evacious Pampanga branch? Kung meron, sabihin nyo na. Hello, Eva. Yes. Tama. Happy lang. Oo. Happy lang. And, yep. Lalo na sa mga minors. Oo. Kasi, syempre maraming mga drag fans. Nakakakita ka lang naman ng drag queen sa loob ng mga clubs. So, maraming mga bata ang hindi nakakapasok ng clubs. At walang ibang means to access. Ang access lang na meron sila sa amin is kung ano yung napanood nila sa Drag Race. At mga content sa YouTube, TikTok, ganyan. So, yung AU, meaning ko parang ano lang, yun na yung pinaka nila, parang means to connect. So, ba't mo patatanggalin sa kanila yun? Ang arte-arte mo naman. Ba't di mo pa ano yan? Diba? Pampanga Evacious Baby is here. Push ang Cebu, yes. Pampanga. Right. Oo naman. So, kay Iya sa Pampanga. Ayaw nga! Taga Pampanga pala si Iya. Yes. Baguio chapter. When ka po magkaka-photo card din? Meron, diba? Meron. Hello, madam. Thank you sa effort. Evacious Rizal. Totoo ba, Trisha? Basta may libreng acupuncture. Ang sarap ng cherry, guys. Alam niyo ba na may nagbebenta ng cherry sa Pilipinas? And this is my new favorite food. Cherry. Kasi nung nasa Perth ako, kasama yung pamilya ko, sobrang mura na lang cherry doon. Tapos dito, apakamahal. Ayun. So, kung bibigyan niyo ako ng cherry, I love it. Iiyak ako pag binigyan niyo ako ng cherry. Talagang hingi ng cherry dito. Manonood ka ba ng Maxiverse bukas? Balita ko, nalipat daw yung venue Ito ba? Tanghalan pa si Genyo. Greg Gold. Hi, Greg! Congratulations on your new music with Morissette. Cherry X Strawberry. Yeah. Next, AU. Cherry ang favorite ni Eva. Right. Nalipat. Sabi! Tanghalan pa si Genyo ata. Or, I don't know. Sabi ko, hindi ako na So, baka yung next venue. I don't know. Pero, sana, sana maging successful. Tomorrow kasi, I have plans. Na tomorrow. So, ayun. Naligaw po mga manonood ng concert. Or for day 2. Baka day 2. Oo. Yes. Day 2 ata, parang hindi na siya sa Aliw Theater. Baka ako. Hindi ko rin alam. Pinag-uusapan lang kanina kasi parang sino daw pupunta. Tapos sabi parang nagre-rehearse daw si ganito sa Sabi ko, bakit doon? Sorry. Sorry. Nag-aanap kasi ko, alam mo naman, di ba, nag-organize na kasi ko ng mga show. So, parang, nasa si ganito, nasa si ganyan. Sabi niya, ay, nasa ganito. Sorry. When po ang next evangelism? So, I think na-announce ko naman na that the new evangelism format is like a talk show. And, kahapon, nakapag-shoot na kami ng 6 na episodes next week. Meron pa akong 3 more So parang ginagawa ko muna like mga 8. Siguro pag nakapag-film na ako ng 10 episodes, siya kasi i-release. Ang masasabi ko lang, yung guest ko next week, feeling ko sa lahat ng mga interviews ko, dito ako iiyak. So, he already said yes, he will come, mag-uusap kami, and finally, baka we'll finally get the closure that I've always felt na hindi ko nakuha after niya sinabi yung word na yun. So, we're gonna have a heart-to-heart talk on my evangelism episode. And, hindi ko alam kung Pili ko iiyak ako dahil, alam mo yun, hanggang ngayon, people still come up to me with that word. Na parang, hindi ka ganon. Hindi ka trash. So, hindi ko alam. When he said yes, I was really surprised. Na parang, oh my God. Ano lang yun parang, baka sakali lang. Oo, siya, hindi. And then he said yes. And then, I think we're gonna finally talk it out. So, parang feeling ko, next week yung filming. So, parang feeling ko iiyak ako. First time ko atang iiyak sa sarili kong show. So, yun. So, we're gonna, yun yung isa sa mga episodes that I'm looking forward to film. So, abangan ninyo. So, i-follow nyo ako sa YouTube channel. Yeah. So, yun. Bakit ex mo yung naisip ko? Hindi nyo naman siya kilala. Kaya interview ko yung ex, hindi ko naman kilala. Yeah. Ang mahirap kasi doon, alam niyo yun, na parang, as much as okay na siya, tapos na siya, kahit sa global, yun pa din yung, sa akin, yung read sa akin. Parang everywhere I go, yun yung word, that ugly word follows me everywhere I go. So parang, I want to ask him, parang, bakit mo yun sinabi? Parang, naniniwala ka ba na deserve ko yun? Kasi hanggang ngayon, I'm still haunted by that word. So, parang feeling ko gano'n. So, ayun. Diba? Shit, dami ko nang nasabi. Oy, alalahanin yung mga sinabi ko, ha? Baka mamaya, kalimutan niya. Yung rose. Yung mga may problema, i-DM nyo ako dito sa Instagram. Huwag nyo akong i-post sa Reddit. Pag-usapan natin yan. Okay? Wag niyo ayoko nung, tsaka please tame down the hostility. Don't say words like this is bullshit or whatnot. Parang, sana maging matino kayong kausap kasi, lang naman yan. Ayun, mga ganun bagay lang. Also, yung shippers, I love you, my shibebis. I love you, my evaciousness. Ayan. And then, pangatlo, ayun, abangan nyo ang evangelism na pasado. Okay? Ayun. Spoiled by Mama Eva. Ano naman? Hindi ba naka-on messages ko? Sige na nga. Basta ayusin nyo lang. Nawala no? Ay, shit, hindi ba naka-on yung DM ko? Kaya pala wala nagdi-DM sa akin. Yung mga sarap na sarap sa akin, hindi ako When are we going to sing a duet, babes? I don't know! Drop me a message on my Instagram and let's do it, Greg. Love you. Love you guys. So, ayun na nga. So, I'm gonna meet with producers from Cebu. And let's make Evacious Cebu happen. Okay? Huwag niyo ako ipahiya dito. Mamaya mag-Evacious show ako tapos lalangawin lang ha. Kaloka kayo. Tama. Meeting adjourned. I love you all so much. Thank you for today. Bye!